New day. I have all my little plants here. I need to do some cleaning there. Let's begin this day. Let's begin? Yeah? Let's do it. Okay, first project will be take off all these or mix all this soil with better one, and then I will be able to plant. This time I will put more soil than that. Actually, you know what? I should take care of this plant. It's changing color from purple to pink, and it's because it needs the acidic soil thing. So let's do this one first. And I will put soil and fertilizer. Frosty, I'll be looking for 5. I got my kale. I put 2 in each one, minus in this one because I put one of these that were in the package on my veggie ones or herbs one. We will see how it goes. And I put a little of Slago because the last year some creature, I'm guessing some of these, were eating my kale, so we will see if they survive there. So far the one that is there is doing really good, and now I have a space here to plant. This is a lunchback red pepper, that is a sweet pepper, and then we have Bonnie green bell, it's a bell pepper, and this is the sweet pepper, the big one. So these two together, I think I can put the 3 of those together. Empty my old potatoes sack, and I put all the soil here plus all other soil. Oh, let me see what I found there. I found this. You see what it is? It's a nut, and it's growing a tree. I don't know what I will do. Maybe I will plant and see if any of my friends want. But so far, I will plant my potatoes. I will put it about that one because I feel bad to let it die. And we will put the soil there.